am going to pull down the fire alarm at Del Norte High School. Attention all students. This is an attorney fire drill. Please evacuate the building while I'm pulling down the fire alarm switch. Thank you. Look at that. There were lots of henchmans at Del Norte High School, because they were having a fire drill today, and people are evacuating from the building. Let's put headphones on, since this fire alarm is going to be very loud in this school. And now I'm going to pull down the fire alarm switch. Ha 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 ha.
The good news is that there's no fire around in this premises, and someone who pulled down the fire alarm switch. Wait a minute. I think it was Junior. Junior, get over here right now.
Yes, sir. What is it?
Junior, how dare you pull down the fire alarm switch at Del Norte High School? Pulling down the fire alarm switch is not allowed to do that at public school. That's it. Get out of there right now.
Now I am out of Del Norte High School.
Yo, Junior, how dare you go to Del Norte High School for pulling down the fire alarm switch? You know pulling down the fire alarm switch is not allowed to do that at public school. When the fire alarms go off, they have to take them seriously. You're supposed to be in school. Like your school at Adobe Bluffs Elementary School. Not at Del Norte High School. That's it. I'm taking you home.
Junior, how dare you go to Del Norte High School for pulling down the fire alarm switch? Why would you do that?
Okay, when I go to Del Norte High School, I go to the office and I make the announcement of attorney fire drill, and I pulled down the fire alarm switch. I thought it was a prank. I am sorry, Mom and Dad.
You do not pull down the fire alarm switch. When the fire alarms go off, we have to take them seriously. Your apology is unacceptable. You are grounded for a month. Go to your room now.
Wow.